Let's start with the first Nikud sign, Kamatz Gadol. Kamatz Gadol indicates the sound of A. That means we need to add the sound of A to the consonant sound. This is what Kamatz Gadol looks like. This is the consonant, and this is the Nikud sign. They are not the same object. Short aside. The consonant sound is created when we stop or partially block the air passage in our vocal system, like B, G, D. A vowel is a speech sound that we make by not blocking air as it travels out through the mouth, like A, O, E, and so on. When combined, we get syllables such as Ka, Ma, Di, etc. Now that we better understand the basics of speech, let's start with the most basic examples. The letter on the screen is Kuf. When adding the Nikud Kamatz Gadol, the consonant and vowel combination create the syllable Ka. Again, Ka. Take a moment to look at the letter Bet on the screen. You should recognize it. The Kamatz is underneath the letter. It is important to be able to tell the Nikud sign and the consonant apart. Following the same principle, the letter Bet with Kamatz Gadol gives us the syllable Ba. Ba. Here is a visual comparison between English and Hebrew syllables. Look at the consonants and vowels. These are the consonants. Both create the sound of B. Remember, no vowel yet, only B. The Hebrew vowel is added as a decoration to the consonant, rather than in the form of another letter like in English. This rule has several exceptions. I will talk about them later on in this course. Let's see more examples. If you don't recognize a certain consonant, I suggest you go over the alphabet letters again and practice the consonant sounds. The letter Chet with Kamatz Gadol gives us the syllable Cha. Cha. The letter Tet with Kamatz Gadol gives us the syllable Ta. Ta. Now let's see the Kamatz Gadol in words. Here is a common Hebrew word. Machar. Machar. Notice the double Kamatz Gadol. As I explained before, it adds the sound of A to the consonants. In our case, Mem and Chet. Ignore the last letter for now. Take a moment and try to read the following word yourself. Focus on the letters and Kamatz sound. The word is pronounced Chadash. Chadash. Now, the word white. Take a moment to read the first two syllables. I will share a hint in a few seconds. Were you able to read the syllables? The word is Lavan. Lavan. That is all for Kamatz Gadol. Not so complicated. The key to mastering it is a lot of practice. To conclude this lesson, we learned that Kamatz Gadol adds the sound of A to the consonant it decorates. In the last section of the lesson, we are going to practice some words. The words are decorated with more than Kamatz Gadol, so at this stage, your goal is to recognize only the Kamatz Gadol and its related consonant, and pronounce out loud the syllable they create. This exercise may feel a little too advanced for complete beginners. Don't worry about that and focus only on the nikud. I will reveal the transliteration and pronunciation after a few seconds for each word at a time, so make sure to pause the video now if you want to take your time to read. The words are magal, magal, chashav, chashav, rasham, rasham, achal, achal, achbar, achbar. That is all for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to read patach. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.